So my name is Dr. Anuj Shah, and I am the lead physician of the Germantown, Maryland office here for the Center for Vein Restoration. So Miss Sarah is a 35-year-old female who is an avid horseback rider. She was having lots of difficulty enjoying her passion because of worsening heaviness, aching, fatigue, and some throbbing varicose veins that had been going on for almost 9 years. So we performed a Doppler ultrasound in our office, and we identified that she had bilateral, or on both sides of her legs, significant vein insufficiency or venous reflux. She'd been wearing compression stockings for many years. Initially, it was helping her symptoms, but then in more recent years, it really wasn't doing the trick anymore. And so we recommended a treatment plan that consisted of radiofrequency ablations, Varithena sclerotherapy injections, as well as microstab phlebectomy. So her entire treatment plan took place over a few weeks. We performed procedures in a stepwise, systematic fashion to help promote the best results as well as prevent complications. So when we performed all of her procedures, they all went very successfully. And when she returned, she was ecstatic. She felt great. Her legs felt great. She actually, what made my day was that she actually showed me a picture of a new horse that she had bought. She'd sort of held off on buying her own horse just because she wasn't sure how her legs would feel. But after the treatments, she felt so much better that she bought her own horse, and she relayed to me that when she was riding, she didn't feel any leg discomfort, didn't think about the pain in her legs anymore, and was focusing just on the horse and riding. And she was extremely happy. Sure, so knowledge is power. And with regard to symptoms in one's legs, there's lots of different reasons to have leg discomfort, and one of the main reasons that humans get leg discomforts, heaviness, is vein insufficiency. So I would definitely recommend coming into one of our offices, getting a venous Doppler evaluation scan done. Then you would talk to our nurse and physicians like myself to go over the results, and if there's any significant findings, we can help best guide the patient on what to do and how to help manage.